Now we want to search for video service, find services. Click on that. I will type video marketing. Then I will search for it. What we want to do here is I want to show you how much you can make creating marketing videos. You see, create professional video ad commercial for marketing. You see, starting at $60. I will just take one as a case study. This one is starting from $45. This starting from $60. That is their lowest earning. $75. 1 minute video ads. Explainer video and app promotion for marketing or sales. $140. Cut to your country currency and see how much you'll be making. So edit marketing and social video with $295 for just 1 minute video ads, for just 1 minute video marketing. Can you imagine? This is incredible. My God, there is money here. This one, creating animated marketing video for business and sales. Create an explainer video for your business marketing and sales. Just $15, $40, $135. Now let me click on make a short and powerful internet marketing videos. Let me click this and see. $135, starting at $135. I want you to convert those dollars to your country currency. If I were to convert that to my country, which is Nigeria, to my currency here in Nigeria, I think $1 now is now 500 and I think 570 or around. It's more than 500 times 135. That is 76,950 naira, approximately to around 80,000 naira for just one video. A short video for that matter. You can see my picture here showing that is my account. Now, so see, let's start. We have standard, that is standard. Let me say basic. Starting from basic, standard, premium. Royalty free music, script writing, video content plus editing. You see, video editing, script writing, 15 seconds running time, just 15 seconds running time, 15 seconds video. For $135. My God. One size orientation, one length variation, show product imagery, background music. My God. This is, you can even follow this. You can follow people on Fiverr to create your video marketing agency. Now let me click on, that is for basic, $135. Let me click on standard and see the price. Imagine, see the price here. $215. Let me even convert it to the least amount, which is 500 naira. If the per naira is $1 per naira is even more than 500 naira in my country here in Nigeria. You can convert that to your country currency 2 times 500 times 215, and that is 107,500, approximately to 110,000 naira, 110K. Let me see how many minutes. Up to 30 seconds commercial video, just 30 seconds. Imagine 30 seconds. Video editing, script writing, 30 seconds running time, one length variation, one size orientation, show product imagery, background music. Imagine. Okay, that is for standard. Premium. Let me see. Premium is $295. I want to convert it again. $295 times 500 naira. It's more than 500 naira, remember. This is 147,500. Approximately to $150,000. Approximately to $150,000 for just 60 seconds commercial video. That is 1 minute. My God. Hey, someone that is not learning marketing video, how to create videos, is missing a lot. And this is it. 6 days delivery, 4 revisions, video editing, script writing, 60 seconds running time, 1 light variation, 1 size orientation, show product imagery, background music. Can you imagine? About this gig, get the word out in all major platforms: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, ST, Shopify, LinkedIn. Imagine. This is incredible. Get a ton of traffic by having your video out there. This can also be turned into a video sales later. Just reach out. I can use your script or create the script for you. Just sit back and wait for your video to be designed and crafted for you. Order now and start working for you. Quality made in Germany. This is from Germany. He is from Germany. So which means that you can be in Germany, you can be in Africa country, like maybe Ghana, China, Uganda, mention the country, Nigeria, mention the country. You can be in any country. This is a service you render anywhere you may be. You only need to send it to them. And if you are busy, once you know how to edit video, if you are busy, just charge your customer, come to Fiverr. When you come to Fiverr, then you do what? You order for the video, only that you may not be earning much because their pay may be high. So it is better for you to know how to create videos. Just 1 minute. The maximum is 1 minute video. Oh my God. So see how much you will be making for creating marketing videos. So why are you not learning marketing videos? Jump up right now and learn marketing videos. So see you in the marketing video class, where I'll be showing you step by step how to use your smartphone to create powerful marketing videos. How you can also, teach others people on how to do this, and you'll be getting paid almost every day, as I am getting paid almost every day. If I show you the alert I'm receiving it almost every day. So jump up right now and learn how to create marketing videos. All the tools you will need are free. You are not going to pay for anything. Everything you will need is free. So see you in the marketing video. Bye.